Right now at 6, the race for the vaccine. People all across the country right now and here in Connecticut anticipating the first vaccines. Hospitals hope to get their hands on it within the next 72 hours.
This comes as the state deals with more hospitalizations and deaths. Today, hospitals in our state shared new details about how distribution of the vaccine will actually work. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is live from St. Francis Hospital and Medical Center. Mike, how long before those first doses are given out?
Well, Mark and Irene, both St. Francis, or I should say Trinity Health of New England and Hartford Healthcare, say that they each expect shipments of about 2,000 doses, and those could be coming within 24 hours of that final approval. Hartford Healthcare says if that sticks to the time frame of getting approval today or even tomorrow, they could be giving vaccines out as soon as Wednesday, while here at St. Francis, they could be vaccinating medical workers as early as Monday.
I would say yesterday. That's how prepared we are in terms of getting this show on the road.
Doctors with Trinity Health of New England stand ready to start vaccinating colleagues. They're just waiting on final federal approval. They're feeling the same at Hartford Healthcare.
This is essentially the moment that we have all been waiting for.
While other approvals are needed, FDA approval is seen as the last major hurdle. The CDC says it can begin shipments within 24 hours of approval. Trinity Health of New England and Hartford Healthcare expect roughly 2,000 doses each in that first shipment.
It isn't vaccines that will conquer this pandemic. It is vaccinations.
From there, a push to get the vaccine administered. Today, U.S. Senator Richard Blumenthal pushed for $8.4 billion in funds to help. That includes money for syringes and other supplies, freezers and equipment, and education outreach.
A lot of reservation is still around this.
Staff surveys at Trinity Health and Hartford Hospital show about 60% of medical workers are willing to take the vaccine now. Doctors expect similar concerns among the public, so both hospitals will start working with community leaders to try to build trust. They also want to tell the public masking and social distancing will likely be in place well into next year.
It is critically important, even if you're vaccinated, you stick to public health measures.
Now, over in the United Kingdom, a handful of people did have an allergic reaction to some of those first doses. A doctor with Hartford Healthcare today said that those people had pre-existing medical conditions that caused those allergic reactions. He says it's a sign that you should be going to see your doctor before you make an appointment to get a vaccine. Live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.